OPPO Find X10 series is expected to go official is expected to hit markets in October this year. The lineup comprising Find X10, Find X10 Pro, and Find X10 Pro Max models. A new leak from reputable tipster digital chat station suggests a major upgrade for the standard OPPO Find X10, the next generation model. The tipster hints that the Find X10 is currently being evaluated with a 200MP periscope telephoto camera. It is unclear whether it will use the Samsung ISOCELL HP5 telephoto sensor like the Find X9 Pro or a different sensor. The OPPO Find X10 is anticipated to feature a versatile triple camera array on the rear, a primary 50MP sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens. This setup, combined with OPPO's advanced image processing and AI-driven enhancements, the OPPO Find X10 series is powered by the next generation of flagship Silicon MediaTek Dimensity 9600. The Find X10 will feature a flat screen with a 165Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution, and a peak brightness that could exceed 3,500 nits. To support these high-end specifications, a battery capacity. The OPPO Find X10 is now tipped to pack an 8,000 mAh cell, nearly 1,000 mAh larger than its predecessor, with 80W wired and 50W wireless charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.